Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering the console off fully. Do not use rest mode. Once the system is off, plug your DualShock 4 into the Ps4 with a USB cable and keep it connected. Press and hold the power button on the console until you hear a second beep, which usually comes around 7 seconds. This is the signal the console is entering safe mode. Make sure the controller is charged, otherwise the controller won't pair in safe mode. Once in safe mode, use the wired controller to navigate the menu. Wireless won't work here. You'll see options like Restart Ps4, Change Resolution, Update System Software, Rebuild Database, and Initialize Ps4. Each serves a different purpose. Update for software fixes, Rebuild for corrupted files, Initialize as a last resort. Read the option descriptions before selecting, because some actions erase data. When ready, highlight the correct choice and press X. The console will begin the chosen process and provide progress feedback. After selecting the needed safe mode action, follow prompts and do not cut power. Interrupting processes like rebuilding or initializing can cause more problems. Be patient. Rebuilding the database or reinstalling system software can take significant time depending on drive size and data, so wait for completion and automatic restarts. If safe mode fails to start, try one key troubleshooting step. Perform a full power cycle, unplug the power cord for 30 seconds, reconnect, then repeat the safe mode entry. Also swap to a known good USB cable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.